Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans. Make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as comment and let me know that you're a brand new subscriber so that I can formally thank you and get to know you, talk to you, and start seeing your name more often, maybe in other comments. So this is going to be me decorating in my teacher extension pack. I went ahead and whited out the days of the week over here, and I put the numbers for columns so that I can use it for my journal. And I already put these two stickers down because they were off of my October desktop calendar, and I really forgot to use my desktop calendar like completely in October. So I went ahead and peeled these two up because they're like really fun stickers and I didn't want them to go to waste. So I went ahead and peeled them up, and they've been stuck up here on this shelf above me, and they were starting to like get hair and stuff stuck to them because I have 3 very shedding pets. So anyways, I stuck them down, and yeah, I am going to be using these 3 sticker books, and I'm trying to pull out the stickers that have all of like the maroon, maybe a little bit of orange in them. So let's go ahead and start. Because this is my journal, I don't like have anything that I necessarily have to do in it. I just kind of like to decorate it a little bit here and there and have fun, you know? Pine cones and leafy sidewalks and crisp morning air. Aww. Okay, I'm gonna get some boxes. Oops. All right, so this is kind of big, and it also doesn't match because it has mint. So I'm just gonna white this out a little bit and then put this over top. Okay, then also wanted to use Caregiver. Now, I don't have anyone that I am necessarily needing to take care of or anything, but a lot of these stickers have you know, a lot of like functional things that I would like to use. I'm gonna put priority on that. There's some really good boxes. I'm gonna use this. This says take a deep breath. I think it's definitely matching, that's for sure. And then Biz Babe also has some good colors for it too. So okay, now last thing I want to do is try and find some orange that is right there and have some over here, so I could maybe do that. I think that could match well. It's just not very much. I feel like I need something. Ooh, maybe like a strip. I feel like that works. Anything else? Could maybe do some gold polka dots, or yeah, I guess this could work. I love to use washi. Love it. There's some that have, I've heard them talk about it in the planner community, that for a while they stop, but you know, they're getting back into it. But for me, I never really stopped. I feel like I've been using washi since I started this whole planner thing. It's just such a fun way of adding more decoration, like a little pizzazz. I don't know. I love it. Love it. I love it. Okay. I'm gonna say that I'm all done. Yay! Okay. All right, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And if you have a journal, I want to hear about it. I want to hear if you do it in a planner or if you use like a, you know, a regular journal, like one that they market as a journal. I want to hear about it and see if it works for you. I feel like this works for me for the most part. But sometimes I don't get to it until much later. But either way, I still, you know, I love my planner. I mean, my journal. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And until then, please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.